In the vastness of the universe among trillions of stars and galaxies, there is one that seems to defy all logic. From this distance, it's just a point of light in the darkness. But the closer we get, the more mysterious it becomes. As we venture further, the galaxy begins to reveal itself as even more bewildering. Its core shines with overwhelming intensity, surrounded by a thick band of dark dust that hides its secrets. The Sombrero galaxy is located in the Virgo constellation, about 28 million light-years from Earth. At the top of the image we find Spica, the brightest star in the Virgo constellation. To the right, in the southeast, is Corvus, a small but fascinating constellation. And further to the left, we see Hydra, the longest constellation in the sky, stretching across the southwest. The first recorded observation of the galaxy dates back to 1781, when it was spotted by French astronomer Pierre Méchain. It was later added to the famous Messier catalogue as M104. In 1912, astronomer Vesto Slipher discovered something remarkable. The Sombrero galaxy is moving away from us at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per second. This finding not only confirmed that it was an independent galaxy, but also became one of the first pieces of evidence that the entire universe is expanding. If you thought our Milky Way had a lot of globular clusters, the Sombrero galaxy will surprise you. While the Milky Way has around 150, the Sombrero has over 2,000. But what exactly are globular clusters? They are groups of thousands of ancient stars bound together by gravity. What's intriguing is that this galaxy has an incredibly high number of these clusters. Scientists don't know exactly why. One possible explanation is that the Sombrero galaxy may have collided with another galaxy in the past, triggering the formation of so many clusters. But there's another factor that could have played a role. At the heart of the Sombrero galaxy lies a supermassive black hole with a mass of 9 billion suns. Its immense gravity may have pulled in matter and stars, contributing to the formation of its thousands of globular clusters. This raises a fascinating question. Was it always like this? Or has it been shaped by cosmic events that we are still trying to understand? Now let's take a look at some of the most famous photographs of the Sombrero galaxy, captured by telescopes that have allowed us to uncover its unique secrets and beauty. One of the most iconic images of the Sombrero galaxy was captured in 2003 by the Hubble Space Telescope. It shows its structure with stunning clarity, revealing the dark dust ring crossing the disk and its brilliant core. This photograph highlighted key features of the galaxy, including its spiral shape and star halo, marking a milestone in the study of galaxies. NASA's Spitzer and Hubble Space telescopes joined forces to create this stunning composite of one of the universe's most popular images. The Spitzer image combines 4 captures at different infrared wavelengths. To highlight the dust structures, the starlight was subtracted, allowing for a clearer view of the hidden details within the galaxy. Now let's move on to the image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope in 2024. This image of the Sombrero galaxy is incredibly special, as it provides a completely different perspective thanks to Webb's infrared technology. The image also highlights how stars are grouped in the nucleus, and what truly makes this image unique is how Webb can identify star-forming regions that cannot be seen in other wavelengths. This advancement helps us better understand the evolution of galaxies and the role dust plays in these environments. Thanks to its infrared technology, Webb is opening a new window into the cosmos, allowing us to explore the Sombrero galaxy in a way never seen before. Another of the most stunning images of the Sombrero galaxy this time captured by the European Southern Observatory ESO. From our vantage point on Earth, the galaxy is tilted about 6 degrees relative to its plane, highlighting its bright core and distinctive dust ring. This photograph reveals more subtle details of its structure, allowing astronomers to study it with greater precision. A fascinating glimpse at one of the most enigmatic objects in the universe. The Sombrero galaxy has a fascinating morphology that challenges traditional classifications. It has traditionally been categorized as an SE or CB-type spiral galaxy, characterized by a prominent core and tightly wound spiral arms. The Sombrero galaxy is still a fascinating mystery. Its unique structure, massive black hole, and vast number of globular clusters show that there is still so much more to discover about its history, its evolution, and its place in the universe. With each new image and study, we get closer to understanding its true origin and place in the universe. In the future, advanced telescopes may reveal even more secrets, but for now, it remains one of the most impressive and mysterious galaxies in the cosmos. Thank you for watching until the end. I'd love to know which galaxy you'd like me to talk about in the next video, so let me know in the comments. All the images you saw in this video, and many more, are available as high-quality, fine art prints with free worldwide shipping, perfect for adding a unique touch to your space. Check out the link in the description to explore the catalog. See you in the next video. Bye.